Hey guys, I have a pineapple here. I want to show you a really cool way to deal with a pineapple. Okay, so we got this. This thing is amazing. I just use it. So first, you want to cut the top off. Okay, and then you want to kind of like, that's not really a super straight cut.
Why is there a pencil on your phone?
That is to mark it. So, and you want to take this and mark it. So maybe I'll come down to about here. So, or maybe I could just kind of look at the one or whatever. You probably don't have to mark it, but whatever. Around there. Take it. And you probably want to have it centered. And you kind of do this with like a, kind of like a downward, maybe like a slight downward pressure. This thing is absolutely amazing. I just used it earlier. Let me show you how it works. So kind of come down, come down, come down. It's about the mark. Okay, it's probably getting close. Basically, take it and pull. Boom. Like that. So this actually stayed inside right there. And the other one, I actually got it out. And then you basically take the handle off, pop it off, and you remove it. How cool is that? So anyways, guys, super cool way to deal with the pineapple. If you guys like the video, please give it a like, comment, subscribe, share, whatever. If you have a better way to do it, please put it in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. God loves you. You're amazing. Bye.